Unboxing Micromax
आवारा
canvas
क्या गर्दिश में हूँ आसमान का तारा हूँ
A63. This phone is released in
आवारा
the display size is
क्या गर्दिश में हूँ आसमान का तारा हूँ
the battery is 50. I know you are tired of hearing this song in every video, and this video is not about this phone.
ఆవారనా ఎన్న
అది నాకు అర్థమైంది గల్నా గుడుకులని అర్థమైంది.
This is a song from Bollywood movie which was released back in 1951, a movie called Awara. So what does Awara who means? Usually they use this word to define a person without aim or who is just always roaming without any purpose. So if we translate Awara in English, it comes like a wanderer or a free spirited guy. If in English it sounds like a positive word, but I think in India this word is used a bit negatively, because in my language Awara means galod. It means
అదే అది నాకు అర్థమైంది గల్నా గుడుకులని అర్థమైంది.
it means something like a person roaming without any aim. Means it sounds like a person who doesn't care much about societal expectations. So in the view of society, he is a failed person and useless. That's why I said in India this word is seen a bit negatively. I can suggest you two songs, one from Hindi and one from Telugu, which gives a similar meaning. First one is Challa from Jab Tak Hai Jaan, and the second one is from a Telugu movie called Janu. The song is The Life of Ram. These two songs are available in YouTube. If you don't understand the language, you can use captions or subtitles for those songs.